Hello guys, we're back. This is a recent build we did. This is a 2020 Challenger we made a speaker box for, and we're using two 12-inch JL Audio W3 V3-inch subs and a fourth order design. We designed this so we can get the most output with the subs we're using. It's loud, low, and musical. The bass travels into the cab of the car. It goes through the armrest in the back. We cut the back and it goes through the ski hole. It's powered by audio control 750, and we use enclosure right here, and it stops right there because the bottom tray still lifts up. You have access to the battery and everything down there in the compartment. But y'all enjoy the video, guys. If you have any questions, please ask. Like and subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the video.
The energy inside of me enables the rhyme to grow long, strong, keeping the right from wrong. You thought I was going until you heard my next song. Just like before, it went to your core and gave you much more than you ever hoped for. Ability to frequently predict the outcome. To battle me, you have to be a one in a million. Rhymes of mine, you bit it. Took it home, microphone, couldn't hit it, spit it out. It was too much to handle. Why gamble? Whatever you do, I come through in dismantle. Parental guidance suggests that I press it. The lyrics were so deadly that you had to respect it. Fierce as an army, wise like a swami. First you were lying, now you're crying for mommy. Heavy as steel boots and swoop like a parachute. Now you're playing mute, but you better salute me, cause I'm the commander, setting the standards. I only speak truth, never written no slander. Duty injure, so I infringe ya. You cringe and binge, and then I mean you're just like the paramedics. You're pathetic, take two of my rhymes, they're strong like anesthetics. I call it prolific, a rapping style terrific. It's artist hieroglyphic, so the critics have to flip it. There's something they understood. Words from the neighborhood, if they could, they would, but it's too good. Higher than science, you're the town squire. Give them the news, who rules the empire? Priors, in other words, the ones before me. Take a step down, leave your crown and jewelry. Cause there's a new commissioner, you're just a prisoner. They told you I can rap, but you're not a good listener. Hurt like a blister, rope the tongue twister. I'm the ladies' man and you're just a whistler. Standing around, playing my sound, stinging this down, they'll come around me. So Mike,
so we did this is basically a fourth order design bandpass. It's two JL 12-inch W3 V3s. This section right here is sealed. This section is sealed. This is ported. They share the port. The port goes into, fires into the cab. Right now we have you can see right there, just have the cab. The vehicle just like a armrest or a ski hole in the back. So we cut that and we went through there, so the air goes directly into the car. That's the back of the sub. The section is sealed. It's ported, and the section is sealed. Back up some, so I can see how this looks. So all the air goes into the car. So this is a fourth order design. The port comes into the cab, and we did this similar to the shop truck. And we have back here, we have the armrest right here. So the base comes forward, going the way down, and it fires into the cab. So the other way. I'm calling you so we can lock in. What you call me
the right from wrong. You thought I was going until you heard my next song. Just like before, it went to your core and gave you much more than you ever hoped for. Ability to frequently predict the outcome. To battle me, you have to be a one in a million.
And thanks for watching, guys. If you like, comment, subscribe. This is where you're at. We're in Corpus Christi, Texas. We do ship boxes. In case y'all need something shipped, or if you have a question, you can call us. We will answer you. 361-834-5360. That's our number, guys. If you want to reach out to us, ask us a question.